and welcome back to another My Tutorials video. For today, nagbabalik ang Careline Play to Slay palette at ito ang ating paglalaroan for today. And I just wanted to show you how you can really maximize this palette. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can effortlessly wear all, yes, I mean all the shades in this palette para masulit mo ang palette na to. Kung naghahanap ka ng madaling way para maglagay ng eyeshadow, what I'm gonna show you today is one of my favorite ways and one of the easiest ways to put an eyeshadow. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to pick a color or a shade that you would want to wear. Any color that you want. So ako, pipiliin ko itong shade na to, shimmer shade. And then, what I'm going to do is, hindi na ako gagamit ng brush dahil liri lang ang gagamitin ko para mabilis. And then, ilalagay ko siya sa aking lid area. So, I'm just spreading this product all over my lids. And then, kukuha lang ako ng brush para ma-diffuse yung edges nung aking shimmer shade. So, there you go. Kahit na bold itong color na to, when you put it on the lids and you just buff out the edges, maganda siyang tingnan. Pwede siyang pang everyday and hindi siya masyadong intimidating suotin. So, this is one of the my favorite ways of putting on eyeshadow. Mabilisan lang, madali lang. You can just use your fingers to use this and you're good to go. I'm gonna do a couple more shades with the same technique on my eyes para makita nyo kung ano yung impact na pwede niyang ipakita at anong klaseng look yung kaya niyang ibigay with the change of shade, same technique on your eyes. Madali kang makakagawa ng iba't ibang look and feels pagdating sa makeup mo with just this palette and this one technique. Ayan. So, this is our second look. Ang ginamit ko lang dyan is for the eyes, itong shade na to. This one, shimmer shade. Again, wash of color on the eye. And then, kung kanina medyo nude ang ating lips. Kanina I was wearing Maybelline Mauve for Me. And now, I am wearing EB Matte Nudes in the shade Bellissima. So, yan, medyo dark and grungy. This will be more beautiful kung merong falsies and merong wing na liner para mas intense yung eyes. But basically, yun lang pinalitan ko, yung eyeshadow at saka yung lip color. And nag-iba na yung look natin. What do you think? So, this is our next look. Pa-fresh lang, pa-bebe lang. I changed my eye color into this shade right here, yung medyo peachy. Ayan. And then, pinalitan ko yung lip color ko. I'm now wearing Vice Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Is Keravu. Ayan. So, parang pa-peachy vibe lang tayo. Dinagdagan ko lang ng konti yung aking blush. I added a little bit of this shade on my cheeks para mas ma-flush siya ng konti. And so, there you go! Ayan, so this is our next look. Ayan, medyo pinartner ko yung bold on bold. And this time, I really blew out yung blend nung eyeshadow. Hindi ko lang siya kinonfine sa lids, pero inakyat ko siya sa may crease line para blown out. You can even extend that here sa may lower lash line. Depende sa look na gusto nyong gawin. This would look even better if you have falsies and liner. Ayan. Then, nagpartner ako ng lip color na bold din. I am using Maybelline's Fuchsia for Me. Ayan, para bold on bold yung look natin. I think I would go with this look if I'm going out at night siguro. Kasi medyo loud and bold yung color nito. So, yeah. Ayan. So, here I'm wearing a more softer look with a brown shade. Ang ginamit ko is this warm brown shade right here. Ayan. And then, on my lips, I have Maybelline's Spice For Me. Ayan. Itong look na to, pwede siya pang casual, everyday, parang pang office, ganyan. Amp up this look with mascara and you're good to go. Ayan. You can easily switch up this look by... Ayan, I'm going to use this one right here. Yung dark shade, darkest shade ng brown. Although, this doesn't really give you that really deep brown. Pero, what I'm gonna do is, papatungan ko lang tong dark, itong brown shade na to. Ayan. Para mas maging darker yung ating lid color. And then I'm gonna change up my lip color to a more bolder shade. And then to give you a more finished look, I'm gonna put on some liner and falsies para finished and polished na yung look. Ayan, so this is our final look. Wala naman tayo masyadong binago. Pinalitan lang natin ng dark brown shade, yung eyeshadow, pop of a more vibrant red lip color. I used Red For Me ng Maybelline para popping talaga yung red natin. Naglagay lang ako ng liner sa aking eyes and then falsies to give you a more finished look. Ayan. So, as you can see, you can wear this palette many different ways. You have many colors right here. You have 11 colors to choose from. Excluding this light shade, yung unang light shade na nandito. So, you can experiment with different looks using this palette. Ayan. So, sana nabigyan ko kayo ng iba't ibang idea how to wear the shadows in this palette using just the eye wash or wash of color technique. Ayan. So, that is it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin ngayon. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye! No, no, no.